What's good, man? It's your boy BG. That's that update on the Grand Prix, man. We done pulled up back to my boys. 2B Garage. Front clip done. Pops also brought these billet specialty bead lock joints for the Grand Prix. And he gonna get these painted too, color match, man. The bead lock. And I'm sure he gonna get the inside of the wheel to match as well. But yeah, let's go check it out, man. I know he got it outside curing or whatnot. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, Salvador Beast. My mans be snapping, man. You can't cap.
Hey, I'm just gonna have them getting ready for to match the rest of the con shit. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then we're gonna put the big wheel on there so we can really get down the track.
Okay, all right.
That's it.
Let's get it then. Get another look at them before you get the works put on them. Billet Specialties. Oh yeah, we're a Billet family if y'all ain't noticed. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. When we get back, we're gonna put the front end on the car. And then we'll check back in with y'all when everything's back buttoned up.
All right now.
All right, we back at the crib, man. It's the old panel right here. Give you a better look of what I was talking about. You see the old bumper fillers and shit all scraped up or whatnot. This been like this for years, for the longest, chipped and shit, but we still did what we had to do. But now, we went, got freshened up. You can see the new one right here. We finna go ahead and mount it up. Just the new bumper filler. Like a new bumper filler. We had bought a aftermarket one right here, but they don't make shit like the old shit, so we went with the OG one instead. It was in good condition. 76 bumper. Yeah, we finna assemble it, so I just want to give y'all a look at it before we put it back on. Y'all see my dog Pops over there putting all the screws back in on the bumper fillers. Got the diamond. I call it the diamond. I don't know what it's called. What it's called, Pops? The red piece on the Pontiac.
That's called the Pontiac emblem.
We gonna call it the diamond. He put the diamond back in there, you feel me? Cause diamonds is forever, they say. What you think, Pop? How look?
Yeah, looking good.
All right, we finna. It look like it's about time to put it back on. So let's do that. All right, we got the grill on. We got the diamond on, fill on, and we got the front nose on. Still got to put the bezels around the lights. Still got to put the corner lights. And of course, we still got to mount the bumper, but y'all see it coming together though, right? Y'all peeping it, right? All right. Stay tuned. We almost done. We're about 90% done, 85% done. So yeah, I'll cut the camera back on when we get everything back on. And yeah, so stay tuned. All right, we got it all complete now. 76 front face complete, man. So we got the new bumper. We got the original lights back in. Cause Pops had a style in there, it was like a box Chevy. It was just one single big light. Now you got the doubles back in there. Got that 50th anniversary Indian head on there.
I gotta put these back on.
All your lenses, you're gonna still put the lenses, but this just giving them a view of, you know, Update. It's gonna look real good in the daytime, but y'all see it, man. It's done. What you think, Pops?
I think it look real nice. Look real different. Whole nother front end.
Yeah, you snap, Pop. Per usual.
I'm gonna turn the park lights on, see how that look.
Alright. I know you're gonna try to change the front lights. Oh yeah, them look good. Yes, sir. So yeah, we gonna end this video out like that. Y'all see what it is, man. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, leave a comment, man. Let me know what you think about the new face, the new front end, the new look.